Here I have Infocus M810 and let me show you how to use Do Not Disturb on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Use apps icon, find and select settings, scroll down, and here under personal, let's tap Do Not Disturb. As you can see here, you can enable the Do Not Disturb, and here you can change the duration. For example, you can switch on Do Not Disturb for an hour. You can also here handle with events and reminders. You can accept some calls and messages from some favorite contacts or basically from contacts, and you can also use the schedule. So you can, for example, switch on Do Not Disturb every Sunday, or you can add some other customized rule. So that's it. This is the Do Not Disturb. Here you've got Do Not Disturb icon, and everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.